Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Super Slow English. Today, we are at my favorite place, a coffee shop.
Oh, Paul, I love coffee, but I am so nervous. The menu is all in English.
Don't worry, Rosie. I am the barista today. I will help you. It's easy, I promise. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Let me see. What is a latte?
A latte is espresso with a lot of steamed milk. It's very creamy.
Oh, I like milk. Can I have a latte, please?
Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Small, please. I am not that thirsty.
Great. Do you want any extra shots of espresso? Or maybe some vanilla syrup?
Extra shots. No, thank you. I want to sleep tonight.
Good point. And is that for here or to go?
To go, please. I have a bus to catch.
Okay, let's review. Rosie used the word small for the size, and she said to go.
Yes, to go means I will take the coffee with me. I won't drink it in the cafe.
Perfect. And I asked about extra shots. That means more coffee, more caffeine. Now it's your turn. Ah, so good.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite coffee? Latte, mocha, or black coffee?
See you next time.
Bye! I finally got my latte.